Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, honorable dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I welcome one and all to the valedictory ceremony of International Conference on Comparative Constitutional Law, comparing and contrasting the constitution model of India and Australia. The presence of large number of delegates on the subject line, along with participants from various prestigious universities and colleges across the globe, had added to the academic brilliance of the conference. It has provided the premier legal discipline, other interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary forum of research and enlighten upon the themes of the international conference and discuss the nuances and concepts of comparing and contrasting the constitutional model of India and Australia. I welcome our distinguished guest of honor, Mr. Prashant Chandra Sen, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. Sir is actively involved in advocacy and has gained excellence in his area. Continues to inspire the youth of our country. I welcome you, sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion. I welcome our distinguished guest of honor, Ms. Geetha Luthra, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. Madam, your presence has really made a difference, and we are glad that you are here to address the gathering. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome distinguished guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Pratik Jalan, Judge, High Court of Delhi. Your presence has lifted up our spirit. It's a great honor to have you, sir. Thank you for being with Amity Law School today. I welcome distinguished guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandrasekhar, Judge, High Court of Delhi. Sir, it's both an honor and delight to have your being present in the international conference today. Thank you for being with us. I welcome our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Gupta, Judge, Supreme Court of India. His impeccable guidance and highly motivational attitude has brilliantly stood in the legal parlance. Sir, we are indeed inspired by your utmost ethics and professionalism, and it's indeed an honor to have you amongst us today. We welcome you, sir. I am also extremely delighted to welcome our dear friend and Australian convener of this two-day international conference, Dr. Paul Baby, Associate Dean, International Adelaide Law School, University of Adelaide, Australia. And I am equally thankful to our Professor Dr. David Godman, Director, MBA Director, Graduate School of Business and Law, RMIT University, Australia. I am thankful to Dr. Joshua Austin, Associate Professor, School of Business and Law, Edith Cowan University, Western Australia, and also the representative that we have from Queensland, Brisbane, Australia. We are fortunate to have the blessings and motivation of Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, sir, our Honorable Founder President of Amity Universe, in all our endeavors. It gives me great delight to acknowledge the motivation and guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Balvinder Shukla, Madam. I also welcome Professor Dr. Bandyopadhyay, Chief Advisor, Founder President Office, and Acting Chairman, Law School. Sir, we continue to grow under your guidance, and you are your motivational words. I welcome Professor Dr. S.S. Singh, Dean, Faculty of Law, Advisor, Amity Law School, Amity Judicial Academy, and Amity Law Foundation, AUUP Noida. Sir, you have been our source of inspiration, and we continue to grow under your guidance and motivation. It has been really exciting and intellectually stimulating to experience today that International Conference on Comparative Constitutional Law with so many research paper presentation and meaningful interactions with eminent luminaries, especially in the area of comparative constitutional law. Your presence shows a strong commitment towards academics and research. I look forward in continuing beyond this event the very stimulating and instructive exchange of ideas we had today. I once again welcome everyone for the valedictory ceremony. Thank you. Thank you very much.